If you spotted this SUV on UAE's roads, you probably realize it's definitely an eye-catcher. Today we're taking a look at this impressive SUV that's compact in size but big on features. Welcome to another exciting DubiCars review. Today we're taking a look at this 2024 Jetour Dashing listed by Cars on DubiCars, your go-to platform for buying, selling and researching cars in the UAE. This is one of the most popular Jetour models in the UAE, so let's dive right into it and explore what it has to offer. Let's start with the exterior. The Jetour Dashing features a sleek and modern design that immediately catches your eye. The bold front grille, sleek LED DRLs and dynamic lines give it immense road presence. These body-colored elements on the grille add a touch of color to the SUV. The first thing you'll notice on the side profile are the stylish dual-tone 20-inch alloy wheels. The door handles sit flush and the shoulder line is rather sharp and distinct. The wraparound portion of the tail lamp is also quite visible on the side profile. The unique element at the rear is the split roof spoiler. The sharply rigged windscreen, split tail lamps and diffuser all add to the character of the Dashing. Attention to detail is visible in every single element. The checkered pattern in the LED tail lamps is a great example. The interior displays futuristic elegance and comfort. The premium materials and well-crafted surfaces create an inviting atmosphere that immediately puts you at ease. The massive 15.6-inch touchscreen is one of the largest we've seen in a car of this size, and it is packed with features. The ergonomic seats ensure absolute comfort even on the longest of drives. The unique steering wheel with a flat top and bottom, the wireless charging slot for your smartphone on the center console, and illuminated cup holders all add to the premium experience in the car. The massive panoramic sunroof further adds an element of spaciousness to the car. Now let's talk about performance. The Jetour Dashing packs a punch under the bonnet. It is powered by a 1.6-litre turbocharged 4-cylinder petrol engine that produces 197 horsepower and 290 Newton meters. It is paired with a 7-speed dual-clutch automatic. Given the size of the engine, the power output is pretty impressive, and combined with the 1.5-ton weight of the car, it makes the SUV pretty sprightly and agile. The weight is very well controlled. Whether you're on your daily commute or cruising down the highway, the Dashing handles it with ease. Forming an opinion on the Jetour Dashing is quite simple and straight to the point. It's a winner for sure. The potent powertrain combined with the futuristic exterior and modern equipment is what makes the Jetour Dashing hard to resist. Find this 2024 Jetour Dashing from Cars on DubiCars. Make sure to download our app and turn on the notification settings to get the latest updates on cars. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to DubiCars for more automotive content. That's it from us for now. Thank you so much for watching. We'll see you in the next one. Until then, drive safe and keep those wheels rolling.